First, go to effects.youtube.com. If you go to the Manage tab, you'll see all the filters you've created. For this tutorial, we're going to create a simple face filter using an image. Go to Create, then Start a project. This is the user interface of Effect Maker. Click on Face Accessory. You can either upload an image or a 3D asset. In this case, add an image. Upload or drag an image of your choice, in this case, these sunglasses. Effect Maker automatically creates a 3D face for reference and place the image in the center of it. You can rotate, move, pan, and zoom the model using your mouse or trackpad for a better view. Click on the image, then on the Scale button, drag the yellow square to scale it. Now let's move the image a little so it's closer to the 3D face. Click on the image and then the Move option. Drag the arrows in any direction until you feel comfortable with the position. Okay, that looks good. You can choose a different video preview so you can see how your effect would look in different people. In Effect Limits, you can check if the size limit of your filter is good for all devices. This may affect performance. Looks like we're good in size and memory usage. Okay, let's upload your filter. Click on the Submit button and upload or drag an image for the icon. Make sure it's not too heavy. Finally, choose a name for your filter and click Submit. You can see the status of your effect in the Manage tab. Once it's approved, you can share the link by clicking on the 3 dots and use it in YouTube Shorts.
Congrats! You've created your first YouTube filter using Effect Maker.